Hi and welcome to this 12th tutorial in the ColorCraft tutorial series. Today we are going to check out the masking and protection section. Let's first pause this animation so we can work more easily. We're going to zoom in a bit and then we're going to press Ctrl and click on any pixel in the image to add that hex value to the masking list. We can then choose a tolerance level. This level decides how far off the selected hex value we can be to protect that value. The higher the value, the more colors we are going to protect. If we then recolor the sprite, we can see the effect. The protected pixels aren't being recolored. We can also invert this and only recolor the selected hex values and nothing else. Again, the tolerance level decides how many pixels are affected. This was all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you did. Till next time.